Van life is personal, van life is fun. Finding someone to build the van of your dreams is quite a process. The 3 van builders that you're about to see were showcased at Peace Lovin' Vans in Dade City, Florida. Now, 2 are from Florida and 1 is from Tennessee. Let's take a look. Our first van comes to you with an emotional story of adventures to come true. This is Sassy. Everybody say hi, Sassy.
Hi.
Okay, no, Sassy just got this van not too long ago, and she's against all odds. She's going to make this trip, and she had Alex build it out, which is really cool. What do you love about your van the most?
That it's going to make a dream come true for me that I thought died when my husband did. It's going to make a dream come true. I love that I'm going to be able to get in it and go and explore and be free. Be free of the darkness that's come into my life. And I'm going to see light, and I'm going to live, and I'm going to go on and do the things that my dream was possible with Dave and Sarah. And just go live my life.
I love the way he did this. I love how, do you like, is that an AC unit?
That's an AC unit and a fan.
That is so cool. I love that low profile.
Yeah.
And the shower's perfect. It's huge.
The shower perfect.
This is
I
great.
can take a real shower.
Take a real shower.
Yeah.
I love this. It's so cool. Okay, so there's so many really cool builders here, but you know what? I think this is one you want to really check out. It's called War Horse All Terrain. We're going to get a special sneak peek about this, and this van's for sale, just so you know. You got a mere, $250,000 just laying around, and you want the really cool van. This is what you want to get. War Horse All Terrain. What is so cool about this vehicle?
We've just kind of wanted to take things to a little bit higher level with what's being offered today on the market. We have some beautiful Italian stone interior countertops in the kitchen, as well as the interior walls of the shower. We've got a beautiful porcelain toilet with a built-in macerator. We've kind of went to the nines on building this thing out. We even have integrated heated floors. So, if you're a skier or a snowboarder and you want to go out to Aspen, Breckenridge, and you want to camp at the base of the hill and be the first one on the mountain, you're not going to freeze overnight. You've got nice, warm, heated floors, as well as our 48-volt, brand new from Vanlife Outfitters power system. It's got a secondary alternator, which allows you to literally live off-grid for an exponential amount of time. As long as you've got diesel in the tank, you've got power in your battery. So there's a lot of cool things here. We've got a hydraulic bed in the back that goes up into the ceiling, 35 gallons of fresh water. We've got 32 gallons of gray and black mixed water as well. And we've got the works on the outside. We've got our side bump outs over there that gives you an extra 4 inches of sleeping on both sides, allows for a queen mattress in the back. 1,800 watts of solar. We have 1,600 amp hours of batteries. And then we've got these cool features where we've got these pods that go on the side above and below that bump out that are going to act as a drop down cooktop. And as you see there, a little storage area for your fishing poles, kayak, paddles, skis, snowboards, anything you might want to put in there. So we're super excited to bring this first guy to market. It's kind of one of a kind, very custom built, but also has the ability to be mass produced. And we can do a almost 30-day turnaround time from the way things look, start to finish.
Okay, so we're gonna walk into this thing, and he's gonna show me all the way around it. It looks pretty cool. I'm not sure, guys. What do you think? Think I should get one?
So let's take a look inside and see what we all have. So we have this beautiful Italian stone kitchen countertop that we are all installing right now. This is probably about an 80% on the build to where we're at now. We've got some beautiful upholstery on the side. This is all custom made and CNC cut, but just some awesome features here. Dometic 2-burner cooktop. We've got a nice deep sink area there. You're gonna have your hot water heater that's based underneath the sink. Your propane bottles are gonna be stashed underneath this cavity as well. You're gonna have an upper cabinet, and then you've got this beautiful new shower with that awesome emerald Italian stone on the inside. It just really looks awesome when it's done, and we're gonna have a glass shower door in the front. It's got a spa shower that's included, your max air vent fan on the top, kind of the works of things you might find in your own beautiful home.
Oh, let's talk about this.
So here in the back, we have this awesome, brand new to market 48-volt power system from Vanlife Outfitters. And we've been doing tests on it the last several weeks, and from the secondary alternator up in the front, it produces about 7,000 watts of power. So that being said, what that basically translates to, if your batteries are completely dead with no power, in about an hour to 2 hours with the motor running, you can generate full 100% power to all your house batteries. So you can live remotely off grid. You can go live on a lake in Montana for months on end and need absolutely nothing, no outside power. other than that secondary alternator and this power system. We've got our bump outs here. You can see our little cutouts where we're going to put some nice windows in here, here in the next 2 weeks. We've got, like I said, 1,800 watts of solar on the roof, which is also generating power to these batteries. So rain or shine, you're going to have power. And underneath here, you've got your heated floors, which are going to be great. Here's 35 gallons of fresh water. We're going to have our water pump over there on the side. And then you can see there kind of the skeletal of the plumbing system. It's going to be end capped with a nice little toe kick. And then that's going to be ran all the way to your shower and your sink. Nice little TV here, 24-inch flat screen. It's going to go there. And then here is where your bed is going to rise. There'll be posts here, here, there, and there on the corners, and the bed will actually rise up into the ceiling, allowing you to have full walkway front to back. If you want to put a mountain bike in here, you have that ability. If you even want to put a motorcycle in here, a dirt bike, you also have that ability. It's one of the things that I wanted to try to have happen, because there's a lot of outdoor people that are all about the outdoors and their motorsports.
Okay.
So it's a great rig for you.
You're a tall guy.
I am 6'3", in fact.
Okay, and you're not touching.
Still have space. Take a hat off, and we're still clearing. If I couldn't clear it in standing up in this, I don't think I'd still be building them today. So it's great for even tall people to walk around in. It's very comfortable.
So let's talk about the chassis. This is built on a what?
This is a brand new 2024 all-wheel drive premium edition Mercedes Sprinter 170 wheelbase.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
And asking price?
$250,000 for this one. This is an on-sale price because our next round will probably increase by 20 to 30% because a few more things we're going to be adding. You're going to have to stay tuned and see what those are. But this one right here is a heck of a deal for $250,000. You can find us at warhorseallterrain.com.
Hey, we're at Moxie Van Co. Woo! Look at these guys. They're in Chattanooga, is what I like to call the Noog. What do you guys do?
We build camper vans.
They build camper vans. Not just any camper vans. They build really cool camper
Really
vans.
cool.
Really
Lots
cool stuff.
Service, installations, and repairs as well. Small jobs, so not just full van builds.
So if they have like questions or they want to build, they then come to you guys.
Add on stuff like that.
Very nice. And you guys are going to hook me up with maybe some stuff from my van down the
We're
road.
going to do our best.
I don't know, guys. This could be cool. Okay, talk to me and walk with me real
I
quick.
imported it out of Canada, and we
You brought a Canadian to the United States.
Yes.
Did you still fill out the paperwork?
Yes.
Okay,
It
this
has
is a
all
Canadian
the paperwork.
Econoline, guys. It's like, did we name it Olive? Because it's sort of olive.
Yes, it is olive.
Okay, so what's special about this?
Well, it's a fiberglass body that was added to this Econoline. It's a diesel Econoline. We, of course, converted, built out the inside, tricked out the outside. It has a 6-inch lift on it. All kinds of add-ons, bumpers, winches. It's an off-road beast.
It's an off-road beast. Look at this thing. Look at these tires. Oh my gosh, look at this. Hey guys, I can fit like 2 small dogs underneath there. Look at that.
So this one is a low roof Ford Transit with a 4-inch lift. It's kind of built off-road. It's not really a camper van. It's more of a daily transport vehicle that can turn into a utilitarian type truck. Lots of open space in it.
Like that.
Seats are very mobile. Seats are mobile, removable, just on the fly. This is a Nissan NV that they don't make anymore.
I miss the Nissan NV.
So this one too, exterior wise, very 4x4 lifted and a very cool build inside.
Very
1,000
nice.
amp hours of lithium power. I mean, this one can stay off grid for a long time. Satellite internet. Yep.
Okay. So what, I missed the Nissan NVs. I think it was the power, the engine. Someone was saying they were towing with a Nissan NV at one time.
Yes, this has a high towing capacity.
If you enjoy watching van life videos and tiny home living, hit that like and subscribe button and bell to get notified so you can know when my next video comes out. And just remember that every day is an adventure. Here's a sneak peek into my next video. All right, we're winning. We're the Van fam. We're winning on trivia. This is a big deal. Last one. 2 points. 2 points. Here we go.